Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create concrete floor texture effect background in Adobe Photoshop R140 G130 B120. Go to edit menu and fill Shift F5. Use foreground color. Go to filter menu and filter gallery. Texture and curvature. Crack spacing 53. Crack depth 3. Crack brightness 5. Again go to filter menu and filter gallery and texture and curvature. Crack spacing 53. Crack depth 3. Crack brightness 5. Go to filter menu and render and difference clouds. Go to image menu and adjustments and shadow highlights. Amount 25%. Tonal width 49%. Radius 38 pixel. Rest is same. Finally, your concrete floor texture background is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create concrete effect floor texture background design in Adobe Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.